I flip it? What do you got?
Tails.
Tails. I'm gonna throw it. I'm gonna let it land. Okay. Here's Williams. He'll sprint out to the right. Looking to throw. Still looking to throw. Still looking now. He'll just fire it to the far side. It's intercepted. He threw it away, and we pick it off. Coming back the other way is Karan Johnson to the 15, up to the 20, and he'll be taken down. Karan Johnson on the interception. His first pick of the year.
Williams' pass is intercepted by number 6, Karan Johnson.
Big play. We got Oshamar and Hop in there. Crowd on its feet. Out of the I formation. Alex under center. Toss sweep coming right. Hop tries to get the corner. Turn. There's the record and a touchdown for the Chanticleers. Hop Henderson into the end zone once again, and there's your FCS record.
It's done, bro. It's done. It's done. All right, and a lot more to go. Okay? That's it.
Here's Ross, option left. Ross tries to lean ahead. We try to push him forward. He's there into the end zone. We got the push. Touchdown, Alex Ross. And I'm not sure if that was Jamarian McBride. He got on Alex's hip and just guided him into the end zone.
Cheney carry. Williams' pass complete to Cheney. Draws his pass complete.
They're loading up like they want to bring pressure. We've had 4 wides, 3 left, 1 right. Alex to throw. Back in the pocket. Steps forward. Looking, fires. Far side, it is caught. That's a first down. That's John Israel. Far side inside. Here we go. There's your snap. Spot. Kick on its way. And it is good. And the Chanticleers have won it 23-20.
Rangers kick is good.